Alright, this is page 272, number 29, and I'm multiplying the square root of 2/3 by this quantity inside the parentheses, and I actually can simplify inside the parentheses first. Seeing that this first term here is square root of 27 over square root of 2, and this is 3 over square root of 2, both of these are really over the same denominator of the square root of 2. So the square root of 27, which I will simplify to be, this is 9 times 3, so 3 root 3 minus 3. That's what's inside the parentheses. And then the square root of 2/3 is, the square root of 2 over the square root of 3. So I think that I'll multiply everything out and then rationalize the denominator. So in the denominator, I'm going to have the square root of 6, which is the square root of 3 times the square root of 2. In the numerator, I'm going to distribute over both terms. So square root of 2 times 3 root 3 is 3 times root 2 times root 3. So 3 root 6 minus, and then when I multiply this root 2 by 3, 3 root 2. So now I can't simplify these in the numerator, so I'm going to rationalize this denominator, and that might help simplify things a little bit more. So I'm going to multiply by 1 in the form of root 6 over root 6. I'll have to distribute that over the numerator. So in the denominator, square root of 6 times square root of 6 will be a rational 6. And then in the numerator, 3 root 6 times root 6. When I multiply square root of 6 by square root of 6, I get a 6, so that's just going to be 3 times 6 minus 3 times root 2 times root 6. So 3 times, let's go 2 times 6. So 2 times 6 is 2 times 3. So there'll be a 2 there. So anyway, I've got in the numerator 18 minus 2 times, that's 2 squared, so a 2 will come out and multiply by that 3. So I'll have a 6, and this square root of 3 will stay in, and that's all over 6. Now, both of these terms divide evenly by 6, so I could look at this as 18 divided by 6 minus 6 root 3 divided by 6. So in the very end here, I have 3 minus, those will cancel, the square root of 3. And that's it.